Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the boot section of Mageia Control Center. So here you can set up the auto login to automatically log in into the system while booting up. So you can do the configuration for launching the graphical environment when your system starts. So if you untick it here, then system will launch in a headless mode. So only the console will be available and no graphical environment will be there for the login in. You can also have the option to I do not want auto login. So in that case, you will have to input your password to log in into the graphical environment every time you do the auto login, every time you boot up the system. And you can also configure, yes, I want auto login with this user. So you can specify any one of the user of the system where the auto login will be enabled for that user. Rest of the users will have to use your manual login. And you can also specify, for example, I can specify myself as a default user where I can auto login into the system, and I can also choose the default session or the desktop. So here ISWM session and the XFC session is there. So let us, for example, click it here, XFC section. So from the next boot up, I can log in into the XFC session as Sam without any password. So password is automatically saved and it will be used for logging in by the system. And for the other sessions, 2 sessions, I will require to use my password to log in. So it will be manual login for these 2 sessions, that is ISWM and ISWM session. And for the XFC session, it will be automatic login. So this kind of fine granularity and fine control is available in Mageia Linux or Mageia OS. So that's it. And now finally we can set up the display manager. So you can change the display manager. So right now Light DM, that is the Light Display Manager, is the default display manager with the X11 server or graphical server. And you can also have the X Display Manager. So there are 2 display managers available. You can choose between them. And after changing this, you will have to reboot your system to make the new changes available or make the new changes workable in your system. So with this, we have completed the Mageia Linux or Mageia OS series on our channel. And from the next video, we will start with some another Linux distribution. So I got few distributions in my mind. So we can start with that. So see you then. Bye bye.